Everything on it looks good, but when I click it, nothing comes on. Nothing on. Looks good. And you know, we can look sometimes at folk and things look good. They got a big house. They speak well. They might have a bunch of degrees. They drive a nice ride. But ain't no power. They don't have the power to sustain a relationship. They don't have the power to rise up and make people better. Ain't got no power. And the reason why this power is not coming on, because there's a cord here that's not plugged in. Now, when you don't have no power, the cord that plugs you into the power is called faith. The Hebrew writer said, but without faith, it is impossible. This is the Tim Daniels translation. Without faith, it is impossible to plug into the power. He said, please him. But I got a problem, Anton. I got a problem here. Because my cord is too short to get to the plug. It's too short. And sometimes in life, our faith is too short. Because we've been traumatized. Folk have let us down. We love the Lord. We saved, but there are moments. Now, if you got a perfect faith, God bless you. But if you like me and some of the rest of us, sometimes our faith is just too short. God, I know what you did yesterday, but this one is too big for you, God. This one I can't do. And my faith is too short. So Ray, help me out here. Give me a little something here. I need something to help me. I got an extension cord. Now, your extension cord is called grace. Grace covers the distance between where your faith ends and God's power began. When you're so knocked down you can't make it, you need grace. That's your, and so wait, let's see what I got here. Bam! For by grace are you saved through faith. And notice, not of yourself. I said, Ray, give me the extension cord. Grace is something that's given to you.